My magic cat Morphle can morph into anything I want. What's that?
Oh, no! My livelihood caught on fire!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Oh, thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. I have no clue how that fire started.
What's that sound?
Oh, no! The cornfield caught on fire, too! It's popcorn everywhere! Oh! What on earth is causing all these fires?
Look, it's a dragon. It caught the flu and it's sneezing. Fire!
And it's heading for the city!
Uh-oh! After it, Morphle! Look, Morphle! The dragon is close to the hospital. Dr. Abraham, there's a sick dragon in the city.
Oh, no! Hey there, big fella. I've got some medicine for you.
Thank you, Morph. It's finished. With my latest invention, you will be able to morph just like Morphle.
Cool. I'm the cat. Now you can't catch me. Try and catch me now. Ah, yeah! Great idea, Morphle. Let's play dinosaur. I know which dinosaur I want to be. The biggest of them all. Wow! The Argentinosaurus! Slide! Look at my giant tail! Oh no! The invention broke! Now I can't morph back into myself! Professor Rashid! Yes, you're right. I have to go back to Professor Rashid. But I'm so big! I can't get past those trees. Morphle, morph into a crane. Oh no! Morphle, I'm stuck! Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Wow!
I'm so sorry, Professor Rashid. I broke your invention, and now I can't morph anymore.
That's all right. I'll have it fixed in no time.
Mila, morph into Mila.
You can have this back, Professor Rashid. From now on, I'll leave the morphing up to Morphle. Morphle, morph into a dragon. What? Morphle turned back to normal.
Don't worry. Morphle will have his magic powers back in 10 seconds. This is Nully. He's a new magic pet I have. He can temporarily take away the powers of other magic pets. That's why I can't keep it with the other magic pets in the magic pet store. Will the two of you watch it for me?
Of course, Daddy. We can play hide and seek together.
Okay. See you later.
Did you hear that? With this new magic pet, we can finally defeat Morphle.
Oh no! Morphle, morph into a giant robot!
Not this time.
Oh no! Morphle, we have to run!
Where are they?
That fridge is very red, don't you think? Zap it!
We found you!
Run, Morphle! Morphle, morph into something to hide with again.
Morphle no can't morph yet.
Oh no! We have to wait!
Now we've got you.
Morphle, morph into a
There's nothing you can do.
mirror! Now Nully won't be able to use his magic powers for 10 seconds.
Oh no!
Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Oh, run, Stein, run!
Get me out of here!
Oh wow! A present for me? You made me a shell necklace? Thank you, Morphle. I will treasure it forever and ever.
Did you hear that, Pirate Phil? That little girl has a treasure.
No! Morphle, morph into a speedboat! Give that back!
No! The treasure is ours! Wait, this is just a shell necklace. Look, those waterlegs Phil and Maurice are after a treasure. Let's show them how it's done. Hey, the Sky Pirates want the shell necklace. It must be valuable. Get it back, Pirate Phil.
Morphle, Morphle, morph into a dragon!
Hey, this is just a shell necklace. But it doesn't matter. If Phil and Maurice want it, they can't have it. Look, those oxygen breathers are after a treasure. But we are the #1 pirates in the universe. Oh, no, you don't. Suits you right. Sea pirates are the only real pirates. Take that back. You were always like this. We will never grow the industry if we don't innovate. How are you deciding who's a real pirate anyway? Your partner doesn't even have a pirate accent.
Wow, that hurt.
Let's just go home, Morphle, and leave them to their bickering. I have a feeling this goes way deeper than just your shell necklace.
You call that a ship? I laugh at your 16th century technology. Oh, so it's a fist fight you want. Put up your dukes, put up your dukes.
Can't we just all...
My growth ray can be used to turn these small plants into big trees.
That's so cool!
Tumbling test tubes. The battery is running out. Oh, that's what I get for buying those cheap knockoffs. Ah, here we go.
Look! It's a giant bird!
Don't worry, I'll shrink it back. Uh-oh, it stopped working again.
Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl.
A giant bird? Not in my... Hey, give me back my sandwich! I hope you get indigestion.
He keeps looking for new food. Let's lead him out of the city. Hey, birdie, look! Quickly, Morphle! Look, Morphle, it's Farmer Bob's farm. Here, the bird has enough food to eat until Professor Rashid arrives. Yay!
What happened to all my corn? There's only one cob left.
We can take care of that.
Amazing. That's prize-winning corn right there.
Dad, you're it, Daddy. Hey, Phoebe.
I'm going to catch you.
We're playing tag. You'll never catch me. Come on, Morphle. We can catch her.
Where are they? Mila, Morphle, come out, wherever you are. Where could they be?
Morphle, morph into a giant super bike. Tag, you're it. This is fun.
I got you! Huh? I think they are in the bedroom.
Tag, you're it. It's Morphle. Hocus pocus pumpkin cloud. Tag, you're it.
They are hiding under the bed.
Morphle, parachute! Catch me if you can.
Tag, you're it. You can't catch me. You can't catch me.
Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. Let's go, Morphle.
Wow, this is the most extraordinary school presentation I've ever seen. But you still haven't told us what it's about.
It's about the animals of the jungle.
Wow.
Look, what animal do you guys think this is?
Oh no, is that a snake?
It's a cute monkey.
Monkey.
Hey, another monkey. Hello there. Do you want to come out and play too?
Oh no! Morphle, morph into a tiger too.
Wow. Phew. Thank you, Morphle. That was close.
This is the end of my presentation. We've learned that the animals of the jungle are fun, but sometimes they can also be a little bit scary.
Mila, this was the most interesting school presentation I have ever seen. An A+.
Welcome to the Big House Building Contest. These are our contestants. The rules are simple. Build a very nice house from anything you like.
Our house is going to be made out of stone. Ours will be made out of cotton candy.
We are going to make the best sandcastle you have ever seen.
Get ready, set, go!
Oh no! I forgot to bring cement. Now these bricks won't stay together.
We have to help them, Morphle. Morph into a cement truck.
Thank you very much, Morphle. Now we stand a chance again. Oh boy, this candy is not sticking together as well as I thought.
How do you think we can help them, Morphle?
Honey.
Yes! Let's go get some honey.
Thank you. This is perfect.
Now we finally have time to build our sandcastle.
Time's almost up, everybody.
Oh no.
Wait, Morphle. I have an idea.
3, 2, 1, and that's it. Let's see what you have made. Ah, very nice. And sturdy. It's beautiful. And tasty, too. Wow, that's amazing. And so big. You deserve the award. You got me there, but you don't have a house, so I can't give you the award.
That's okay. We're happy we could help the other teams.
Then I give this award to you for building such a tasteful house.
Thank you very much, but I couldn't have done it without Mila and Morphle. And as a reward, you get to eat the house all by yourselves.
Yay! Morphle, morph into a giant dump truck.
Great. This Giantophelous is way too big to fit in my Magic Pet delivery van, but this giant dump truck is perfect. Okay, bring the Giantophelous to the junkyard. That's where his new companion lives. But be careful, because the Giantophelous can be very playful.
Okay, Daddy. The Giantophelous is so big. Morphle, look! Great, Morphle!
Hey, not in my city.
Okay, now go say hi to your new human companion.
Hi, Giantophelous. Hey, what do you have there? Ah, great. You already found your first old car to wreck. Okay, Giantophelous. Smash it. No! That's my car! You are under arrest.
Please don't arrest him, Police Officer Freeze. He didn't mean to steal your car. He just really likes playing with cars.
Yes, that's why I can use him here on the junkyard.
Well, I guess that's a fine place for him then. As long as he doesn't cause more trouble in my city. Can you believe this? No. What a day. Oh, what a day. Besides, I don't think I even have a jail cell big enough for him.
Okay, Morphle, it's story time. Once upon a time, there was a mama duck whose eggs were about to hatch. When they did, little baby ducks came out. All of them were super cute and fluffy, except for one of the ducklings. It was different because it was big and red, and it didn't have any feathers. And instead of quacking, it sounded like this.
Hi, is it Duckling?
It wanted to play with its brothers and sisters, but they said it was ugly, and they made fun of it.
Mean.
Yes, the brothers and sisters of the duckling were really mean. It made the duckling very sad. So sad that it flew off to play by itself. And when it was there by itself, all sad, all of a sudden, a giant dinosaur appeared. It chased the little duckling around. the little duckling flew for its life. There were big dinosaurs everywhere. Then it flew into the claws of a giant flying dinosaur called the pterodactyl. The little duckling was sure that the pterodactyl was about to eat it. But it didn't. Do you know why?
No, Morphle, no.
Because it was the duckling's real mother. You see, the duckling wasn't really a duckling. When it was just an egg, it accidentally rolled into the duckling's nest. The duckling grew larger and larger until it was just as big as its mommy. The end.
Dino Duckling, go see brothers and sisters.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So, the Dino Duckling went back to visit its mean brothers and sisters. And they were bullying a new duckling because it had big feet. Yeah, and the Dino Duckling roared really loudly, and it chased away its mean brothers and sisters. And they lived happily ever after. The end. Morphle, I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Aw, there's not enough sand in the sandbox. We should go to the desert. There's lots of sand there. Here we are. Okay, Morphle, let's start digging. Well done, Morphle. It looks great. But I am getting pretty thirsty. It's so hot out here.
Water!
Yeah!
Water gone!
In the desert, sometimes it looks like there's water, but it's not real. It's called a mirage. Oh, look, there's another one. This one is even moving.
This is not a mirage. It's my magic pet. Are you guys thirsty?
Water!
I love playing with you, Shelly. I love playing with you guys, too. home as well, Morphle. Bye, monkey.
Bye-bye.
Who do we play with now, Morphle?
Baby lion.
Yay! Morphle, morph into a lion too. Uh-oh. It's time for the lion to get her bath. Bye, lion. Everybody we play with had to go home. I miss my own daddy, too. Let's go back home, Morphle.
Yay, Daddy.
Look, Morphle. Our reflections inside Mr. Mirror are so funny.
They certainly are, madam.
Hey, Buggy, where are you going?
Oh, dear.
Hey, Quirky is so sweet all of a sudden.
Yes, you fell through my magic mirror into the mirror world. Here, everything is the opposite of what it's like in your world.
Really? That sounds strange. I want to go back home.
You want to go back? No. In this world, magic pets never do what humans tell them to.
Oh no! He ran off. How do we get back now? Everything in this world is the exact opposite of back home.
Hi, kids.
Oh, hi, Mr. Vanderboos.
I saw where Mr. Mirror went. Come on, I'll be happy to help.
Okay, Morphle, morph into an airplane.
An airplane? There's no water around here. In this world, you can only fly using a boat.
Look, it's Police Officer Peter Freeze.
Not in our city.
Wow! Look, Morphle, in this world, Peter Freeze is a bad guy, and the bandits are good guys.
Mr. Mirror went into my favorite place. The zoo. It's so fun to watch humans.
Ah, over there, it's Mr. Mirror.
Mr. Mirror no wanna help.
Yeah, but I've got an idea. Hey, Mr. Mirror, we definitely don't want to ever go back home. We love it so much in this world.
You don't want to go back? Like I said, in this world, magic pets never do what humans want.
Look, I think we're back home, Morphle.
Yup, you guys again. I liked the other Mila and Morphle much better. They came to the zoo with me to laugh at all the animals. Just look at it with its non-opposable thumbs.
Well, I, for one, am happy you're back.
Look, Morphle, that elephant is stuck between two trees. Morphle, morph into a robot. The camel doesn't have any more water to drink. Morphle, morph into an elephant. Now you can take some water from over there and use it to fill the camel's trough. Look, Morphle! What's wrong, monkeys? Morphle, morph into a camel.